Does anyone know what this means?
New lemon pepper steppers. Mom!
Oh, God.
I only talked to one of my cats.
Oh, he's gonna hit the jar.
That's honestly, that's like 50%.
Okay, what you guys want to eat, huh? Let's see, chicken?
The most dangerous animal on this planet. A violent creature.
Stop this madness. What do you want from me? What do you want? Please!
Guys, he's found the catnip bed. He's found the catnip bed. I fucking love him. He's got no brain.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto. Let's see if Will's gonna be nice today. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, no.
Jeff, are you alive?
Escucha las palabras de las brujas, los secretos escondidos en la noche. Los antiguos dioses invocamos ahora la obra de la magia oculta. Esta noche al amanecer hemos llamado al antiguo poder.
The most dangerous animal on this planet. A violent creature filled.
This one is my little baby. We're besties. This one's mean as fuck.
I'm about to lose it. Why would you do this? Why would you do this?
So if he tells you anything fucking different, he's a liar and a fucking snake. Fuck you.
Piggy dipping! Piggy dipping at the piggy pond!
Yes, yes, quite. Wow.
Quit it. You're driving me nuts.
Oh my god, she's so fat.
Don't say that to my cat. She's not fat. Her primordial pouch hangs low.
She's fat.
No.
Oh, look at you, little tiny kitty, little tiny baby kitty. Ow! Curse your tiny kitty!
Jerry, think about it. It's a baby. Don't do it. Don't do it.
What the heck? I'm not doing anything to you. Oh my god!
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see, I see.
Did you eat a fizz candy? What happened? Oh baby, are you stuck? Are you in jail? Are you stuck in your cage? Oh no, oh no.
Every day I wake up and I ask myself, how am I going to be the biggest pain in the ass that I can be?
I just made my dinner. Super excited. I changed Dylan in the background and oh. Well, I didn't even have to call the food up to him.
No! Oh my god!
Stop.
Pronto.
Onion? Okay.
That would be my big fat ass. That shit tastes good. I don't give a damn what nobody said. That shit.
Come here, Charlie.
I just want to show that my cat will let me pet him with anything.
Meow. Hola, mi amor.
whose cat this is, but it literally followed me to my apartment last night. And when I woke up, she was still outside the door. And I'm trying to leave. And she literally won't let me. And I think she's pregnant. What the fuck?
It's a Yeti girl in a Yeti world. Good morning. Good morning. Honey. Thank you, babe.
Don't decline.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see, I see.
Nossa senhora! Que isso? Que isso? Ei!
Leave your brother.